In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable incognito mode on Chrome browser on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your Chrome browser, and from here you can tap on plus sign to create new tab. That's a regular tab, and if you will browse on that tab, the web browser will save all your data, including search history, cookies, and so on. If you want to turn on private browsing mode, all you have to do is right here tap at three dots icon, and here select New Incognito tab. Now you are on incognito mode and you can browse privately, and other people who use this device wouldn't see your activity. However, downloads, bookmarks and reading list items will be saved. You can simply recognize that you are on incognito mode because of that gray background, and also you can simply switch between incognito and regular mode just by tapping on that icon. Here at the top you can switch between incognito mode and regular mode. So now on regular you can go through all your regular opened tabs, and also in any time you can hit add incognito icon and here create as many tabs as you want. That's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.